Have you ever needed to send a WhatsApp message to someone just once but didn't want to save their number to your contacts? Maybe it's a delivery driver, a business contact, or someone you're only communicating with temporarily. The good news is that WhatsApp lets you message people without adding them to your contact list first. The only issue is that WhatsApp does not make it easy for you to send a message to someone without adding them to contacts list first. But here's how you can do it. Inside WhatsApp for iPhone, tap on the calls button from the bottom. Here, tap on the keypad button. Now you will see the keypad screen. Here, type the number that you wish to send the message to without adding them to contact list first. After you have typed the number, WhatsApp will scan its database to see if that phone number is associated with a WhatsApp account. After it's done, tap on the message button that appears next to the green call button. This will take you to the WhatsApp chat screen. Now you can type your message and send it to the person. No need to add them to your contacts first. The person or business must have an active WhatsApp account. If they don't use WhatsApp, the chat won't open. Also, make sure you enter the correct country code before the phone number. Otherwise, WhatsApp won't be able to find the account. And that's how you can send WhatsApp messages without adding someone to your contacts list. It's quick, convenient, and saves your contacts list from filling up with temporary numbers. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.